Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about the benefits of C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Our content for today is provided to us by eventsys.net. Thank you Eventsys for allowing us to use this content. Benefits of C. A middle-level language, C combines the features of both high-level and low-level languages. It can be used for low-level programming such as scripting for drivers and kernels. It is also supports functions of high-level programming languages such as scripting for software applications, etc. C is a structured programming language which allows a complex program to be broken into simpler programs called functions. It also allows free movement of data across these functions. C language is case sensitive. C is highly portable. It is used for scripting system application which form a major part of Windows, Unix, and Linux operating system. C is a general-purpose programming language and can effectively work on enterprise applications such as games, graphics, and applications requiring calculations. C language has a rich library which provides a number of built-in functions. It also offers dynamic memory allocation. Okay guys, so that's it. Now my report about the benefits of C programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.